Hello friends, my name is Vinita Tandulkar. I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. Today I will take communication structure seminar. We'll see some points in this content. First one we see meaning of communication structure. We'll na na network why na na network chain na network circle network all channel network. So first we see communication structure. What is communication structure? Communication structure is a communication network referred to in their role of the transmission of message. Communication networks make the communication interesting, quicken the flow of information, and increases the effectiveness of communication. It depending upon the nature of message, urgency, organization, culture, and size of the organization. Different communication networks can be used. Basically, there are five the, the types of communication networks as follows. First one is real network. Y network, chain network, circle network, all channel network. First we see real network. It is a pattern of communication network in which a single person as pivotal supplies message of other members. It is centralized communication network. Here, the group idea is probably the main source of communication. The main source of information and we passes the information to the other group members. Maybe they are 2, 3, 4, more than 5. In this type of network, only the manager communicates to subordinates, but subordinates are not allowed to communicate with others. Same Y network. It is the pattern of communication network in which top leaders or, or, or managers communicate to the person closed to 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 the message is communicated in downward direction in hierarchy. Chain network, we see, it is a pattern of communication network in which a person communicate with immediate superior and subordinate in hierarchy. Here one can communicate with 2 to 3 person, like 2 with 3 and 3 with 5 in the downward communication, where information can flow from bottom to the top and top to bottom. It is more suitable when authority and responsibility are clearly defined among the group and the team members. Circle network, it is pattern of communication network in which message is communicated in circle. That is, each person can pass the information to his or her adjoining 2 person, right or left. For example, in above diagram, to can communicate information to 3, and 1 can similarly 3 can pass to 2, and 4 but cannot pass the information to 3 or 4. All channel network, it is one of the most decentralized type of communication network in which all the members of group or team share their ideas, views, uh, and suggestion to all the members without any restriction. Next, we see 6 way of using non-verbal communication skills effectively. Here, some major areas of non-verbal behaviors to explore. Whenever we communicate, some our physical effect see in front of the people. Some of them are eye contact. Whenever we talk to someone, we need eye contact for a confident communication. Second one, facial expressions. We show normal face expression by action. Third one is gesture. When we talk to other person, so it is important to look out on our gestures. Fourth one is posture and body orientation. It is very important when we talk to another person. We need to look out on our posture, hand action, body orientation. Fifth one is paralinguistic. Paralinguistic means the component of your speech, a expression. We will see more about paralinguistic in next slide. Sixth one is humor. We know the humor when we talk on specific topics. We must know about that topic, how we can express effectively our point in front of the public. Next one is 6 way of communication structure. Eye contact. Eye is an direct and most expressive part of our body. The different ways of eye contact. First is direct eye contact. It shows confidence on yourself. Second one is looking downwards, like listening carefully or guilty. Third one is single raised eyebrow. When we do this thing, we show the doubting. Fourth one is both raised eyebrows. When we do this thing, when we raise eyebrows, we show admiring on such specific point. Bent eyebrows, it shows sudden focus. When we focus on some important or some highlighted point, we do sudden focused on that particular point. Tears coming out, it shows the emotional, either happy or hurt, and many more. So the second one is facial expression. It is very important to show your smile, like a genuine smile, when you talk expressively in front of the public or in front of the people. Smile covers the most part of facial expression. Smiling is a powerful cue that transmits happiness, friendliness, warmth, liking, and a affiliation. These five things will be expressed when we show our facial express between the communication. We've seen paralinguistic before. I've mentioned previously, paralinguistic is a component of your speech expression. It contains your tone, your pitch, your rhythm, the, the timbre, and the loudness and inflection. So these six things are very important when we do paralinguistic action. It is very important for, for part of non-verbal communication, including such vocal element. So these are the reference where you can search about communication structure in Google, wikipedia.com, and third one is Study Mafia. So thank you so much, guys. I've completed my communication structure seminar